Hi, my name is Manish Mehta and I'm a Magento certified developer plus and also a Prince 2 and ITIL certified. As you saw the first video in this series that I hope you understood that why you are watching this particular series, and I hope you have already registered or decided on your domain name. So in this particular video we will be discussing what platform you should use to develop your e-commerce website. There are two kinds of platforms available to you. In fact, three kinds of platforms, I would say. First is a hosted platform like Shopify, BigCommerce, 3D Cart, etc. And there are the CMS available, the second type where Magento, PrestaShop, OpenCart, WooCommerce, etc. And you can also build a custom application, e-commerce application based on PHP, Ruby on Rails, Python, or any other language like ASP.NET. So at the beginning of your business, you get confused like what platform should I use, and what are the benefits and disadvantages, and these are the basic questions that comes in your mind, and what is the investment required initially. So there are a lot of comparisons available on the internet, and there are a lot of articles and videos and things like that where they have compared everything on the basis of security, budget, and things like that. So you can go through them. Here I'm not going to give you all that bunch of information. I'm going to give you my opinion on the basis of my experience, what exactly you should use. At the beginning, I would recommend you to go for a hosted solution if you're not sure about the scale of the business that you're getting into. A hosted solution will get you started at a very cheaper rate. You can the development time is very low, and you don't need to worry about the hosting and maintenance of the website, security, etc. It's all taken care of. You just need to concentrate on your business and just get started. So that's very easy to start and good for the small scale businesses. For businesses who are already established, they have good standing and customer base and products in place, and they have a reasonable budget to get started with, they should go for Magento for sure, because it will give you a lot of options of customization. It has an endless list of extensions that you can use, and that's probably the best CMS you can use. For the other people who want to build a very unique product, like a Vistaprint, for that matter, that kind of website where you have a very unique product which is not, if your 80% of the needs is not being met by the CMS, at least the backend, then you should not go for it. You should always opt for a custom application based on some language. Obviously, I'm aware of or have worked on PHP, so I recommend going for something like Zend or YII or Laravel or CodeIgniter or CakePHP or something like that, a custom application to build your website. That's all for this video. We'll see you in the next video with some other information about e-commerce business. Thanks. God bless.